Welcome my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. Today's lesson Unit 5 topic inventions of discoveries. Here there are some names written, different types of things, usable things we use in our life like bicycle, car, petrol, diesel engine, electric lamp, camera, Kodak, bicycle tire, electric iron, helicopter, microwave oven, motorcycle, submarine and tank. So these are the things we use in our daily life and we are benefited with it. Bicycle, who discovered this thing? Who discovered bicycle? So this is discovered by Kirkpatrick Macmillan. It is discovered by Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Who discovered bicycle? Kirkpatrick Macmillan discovered the bicycle. And next one, who discovered petrol car, that is discovered by Carl Benz. He discovered petrol car, but by the end of the 19th century, another scientist also discovered petrol car. Another scientist before Benz. But it is controversial whether before Benz or after Benz. But another one also invented car, petrol car. That scientist was of Germany. That scientist was from Germany, and he discovered the petrol car. But it is controversial. Who discovered first, Carl Benz or that German engineer? Who discovered it first, Carl Benz or the German engineer? This is controversial. That motor car was discovered by Wilhelm Daimler. He was actually a German engineer. Okay, Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler. He discovered a motor car which ran on petrol at the end of the 19th century. At the end of the 19th century, that ran on petrol. It was invented by one German engineer, Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler. He discovered it. He invented a motor car, ran on petrol. But another one also discovered petrol car. He was Carl Benz. But who discovered first? That is controversial matter. Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler or Carl Benz. But when was it discovered? If we come to know, then we will be able to recognize who was the first one discovered petrol car first. Okay, Daimler or Carl Benz. And next one, diesel engine. Who discovered diesel engine? Diesel engine was discovered by Rudolf Diesel. Diesel engine was discovered by Rudolf Diesel. He discovered one engine after his name. Diesel engine. Rudolf Diesel discovered the diesel engine. And next one, electric lamp. Who discovered electric lamp? Electric lamp was discovered by Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison discovered the electric lamp. And next one, who discovered camera Kodak? Camera Kodak was discovered by Eastman, means Walker Eastman. Walker Eastman discovered the camera Kodak. Walker Eastman. And one color also came in film industry after the name of Eastman, that is Eastman color. Eastman color. This film this film of Eastman color was used by the producers in making their films. That is Eastman color, after the name of Eastman. He was Walker Eastman, discovered camera Kodak. And next one, bicycle. Who discovered the bicycle? Bicycle tire. Who discovered bicycle tire? Bicycle tire was discovered by John Boyd Dunlop. John Boyd Dunlop discovered the bicycle tire. John Boyd Dunlop. And you know, in the market, Dunlop tires are available. So this tire also was named after his name. The manufacturer or factory owners who generally manufactures this kind of tires, they named their tire after the name of John Boyd Dunlop. They gave the name Dunlop tire. Why? Because Dunlop was the inventor of bicycle tire. Who was he? He was John Boyd Dunlop. And next one, electric iron. Who discovered electric iron? Henry W. Seeley. Henry W. Seeley discovered electric iron. Henry W. Seeley discovered electric iron. And next one, helicopter. Who discovered helicopter? Helicopter is discovered by Etienne Hueymachen. Etienne Hueymachen. Etienne Hueymachen discovered helicopter. And microwave oven. Who discovered microwave oven? Microwave oven is discovered by Percy Le Baron Spencer. Percy Le Baron Spencer discovered microwave oven. And then motorcycle. Who discovered motorcycle? Motorcycle is discovered by Gottlieb Daimler. Gottlieb Daimler, about which name I told you earlier. Gottlieb Daimler discovered by the end of the 19th century motor car which ran on petrol. It was also discovered by Gottlieb Daimler. He discovered motorcycle also. And then next one, submarine. Who discovered submarine? Submarine was discovered by David Bushnell. Submarine is discovered by David Bushnell. And last of all, tank. Who discovered tank? Tank is discovered by Sir Ernest D. Swinton. Sir Ernest D. Swinton discovered. Sir Ernest D. Swinton discovered tank. Sir Ernest D. Swinton. So these are the names of different things discovered by different scientists of different countries of the world. Now you have to learn their names. The names of the things will be given to you. Simply what you have to write the names of the scientists. You no need to write the names of the country from where they were. We no need to write the names of their countries. Simply you have to write the names of the scientists, and the things will be given as per the things name. You have to mention the names of the scientists. For example, who discovered bicycle? You have to write simply the names of the scientists. Kirkpatrick Macmillan discovered. No need to write Kirkpatrick Macmillan discovered bicycle. Simply we write the name of the inventor. Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Simply write. But here in online system exam, there will be optional question. There will be optional answers, means more than one answers will be there. Okay. In that case, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. More than one options will be there. You have to choose correct option. There will be 4 options. Out of 4, you have to choose any one option. The option which is correct, you have to choose it. For example, Kirkpatrick Macmillan. More 3 names also will be there. But these 3 names also, these three will be incorrect names. Only one correct name will be there. That correct name will be your answer. You have to choose it. So you have to choose Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Okay. So it is very easy to attempt this type of questions through online system. What is needed most is your learning ability, memory. You recall your memory, learn it properly, recall your memory and choose correct options. You will be able to score good marks, good marks, good grades. Next one, who discovered car petrol? Carl Benz discovered petrol. Carl Benz discovered, car petrol. But another one also, Gottlieb Daimler of one German engineer, he also discovered one car which ran on petrol. It was discovered by the end of the 19th century. He was from Germany. But who discovered it? First and second, that is controversial, because here in this book there is no mentioning. The year when was it was discovered, it is not mentioned in this book. Simply you have to write Carl Benz. It will be better you simply write Carl Benz. Who discovered car petrol? Simply you will choose Carl Benz. You no need to choose, another one, Daimler, because Daimler, this answer is not given in this book. So you will choose only Carl Benz for car petrol. And next one, who discovered diesel engine? That is Rudolf Diesel discovered diesel engine. And who discovered electric lamp? That is Thomas Alva Edison discovered electric lamp. And who discovered camera Kodak? Walker Eastman discovered camera Kodak. Who discovered bicycle tire? John Boyd Dunlop discovered bicycle tire. And who discovered electric iron? Henry W. Seeley. Henry W. Seeley discovered electric iron. And who invented helicopter? Etienne Weah-Mitchell. Etienne Weah-Mitchell invented helicopter. And who invented microwave oven? Microwave oven is invented by Percy LeBaron Spencer. Percy LeBaron Spencer invented microwave oven. And who discovered motorcycle? Gottlieb Daimler discovered motorcycle, invented motorcycle. And who invented submarine? David Bushnell invented submarine. David Bushnell invented submarine. And who invented tank? Sir Ernest D. Swinton. Sir Ernest D. Swinton invented tank. So these are the names of different scientists who discovered different things which are helpful to us till today, and we are using this kind of things in our regular life, and we are becoming part of enthusiasm, part of entertainment because of the discovery of this type of things. And that's why we have to learn the names of the scientists. You learn the names of the scientists properly, and if you are able to do it, I do expect you will be able to score good grades. Thank you, my dear students. Up to